Hi, and welcome back into day 6. So, we're already kind of halfway through this first part, and obviously, there's a lot more meditation to come, a lot of different techniques to come as we move towards a place of healing. When we're talking about the loss of someone we really care about, a few days is nothing, and it's quite normal to still feel a sense of numbness, a sense of shock, of disbelief. Perhaps you still feel a really strong sense of anger. Maybe sadness hasn't even happened yet. Again, every single situation is different. The relationship to the person is unique. Your own sort of personality, conditioning is unique. And there is no defined timeline for grief and the way that grief unfolds. So knowing nobody can know your pain, nobody can know the circumstances, the specific circumstances of the way that you feel right now. But knowing for yourself that that journey is unique and that wherever you are at the moment on that journey is in just the right place, that it's unfolding in its own time, hopefully brings a sense of comfort that you can carry into the exercise, knowing that ultimately it's just about showing up each day, having the courage to sit with whatever you're going through right now. So just take a moment. Make sure you're sitting comfortably, eyes open, soft focus. And just maintaining that, starting with some big deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. As you breathe in, as always, focusing on the sensation of the lungs expanding as you take in air. And as you exhale, just noticing how the muscles in the body soften. And with the next exhalation, just feeling the eyes close, feeling the weight of the body press down, just feeling the weight of gravity. And just settling into that spot. Noticing the space around you and beginning to notice the different sounds. And then just bringing the attention back to the body. Checking in with the body, noticing how you feel today. Not judging the feeling and knowing that sometimes actually the body might feel very relaxed, at ease, and that's okay as well. And then just scanning down from head to toe in your own time now. Slowly shifting the attention to the breath. Remember, if you can't feel any movement of breath, just gently placing your hand on your stomach to feel that rising and falling sensation. And then slowly beginning to count the breaths as they pass. So knowing that this exercise has less to do with focus, it's more about just noticing the distraction, learning to let go of that thinking and just gently come back to this anchor, this rising and falling sensation. Or allowing thoughts to come and go, knowing that the mind can want to replay many, many thoughts, many memories. But knowing that within this exercise, at least, it's helpful just to acknowledge that thinking, to gently let it go, and just to come back to the breath for a moment or two. And then just letting go of any focus now, as you just allow the mind to do whatever it wants to do. So if it's been wanting to think, wanting to remember, just letting it do its own thing now. And then bringing the attention back to the body. So just coming back to that feeling of the body pressing down against the chair or the floor, perhaps the soles of the feet on the floor, or the weight of the hands and the arms on the legs. Noticing any sounds, sensations, and when you're ready, just gently opening the eyes again. And pausing to notice how you feel, and knowing that It's a really courageous thing that you're doing. Taking this time, a time where we might prefer to be distracted, a time where so often people will choose to run away from the discomfort. But you're actually taking the time to create the conditions for healing to take place. So, as difficult as a time this might be, kind of having the confidence that you're doing everything you can to create the conditions for a mind to be able to cope with the loss, but also more than that, to begin to understand how can maybe find, even in the midst of that sense of loss and heartache, there's the potential to find a greater sense of ease. Again, we're going to continue to revisit these themes and we'll continue to develop the technique. But I'm going to leave it there for now today, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for day 7.